Hello, online learner. We are your online social studies team, full-time online teachers. My name is Mr. Dugan.
And I'm Mrs. Lindemeyer. I teach quite a few classes for the Deer Valley Online Learning Program. I teach economics and World History 1 and 2, Honors World History 1 and 2, and sociology.
And I teach government, which is a senior class. I teach U.S. History 1, U.S. History 2, and my elective is Law in Society. Those are the classes that I teach full-time online.
And we just wanted to talk to you a little bit about who we are and what we do here for you on the Deer Valley Online Learning Program site. So first off, we want to remind you that life is very busy, and to be successful in this class, we want to make sure that we set you up for that with our printable calendars. So you will see on our website page that we have printable calendars for you, and we highly suggest that you do what we say, print them off, and stick to them so that you are not running behind on any of your assignments. It can pile up quite quickly. We also want to talk to you about communication. We do not know what's going on in your life unless you tell us, and we are teachers who care very much about you and your success in this class, and we care about you as people as well. So please make sure that you are communicating with us. Until the first day of class, you may email us. Our emails are on our staff websites. When class starts up, we ask that you please use the Canvas inbox message system to communicate with us as your teacher.
Yes, and the other thing we want to make you aware of, and we hope that you take advantage of this, is the online learning labs. We have them here at Barry Goldwater High School and up at Boulder Creek High School. Here at Barry Goldwater, it's Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. And at Boulder Creek High School, it's Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is an open lab. There will be a full-time online teacher in there. If you are a social studies student and you walk in, you may not see a social studies teacher, but that's okay. A math teacher or a language arts teacher, they can still help you just like we can help you if you are a math student or a language arts student. We will help you with Canvas, any questions you have. We can help you hopefully with some assignments and answer your questions. Please take advantage of these online labs because this is a good opportunity for you to clarify any questions that you may have that you might not be able to get the answer through the message system. So take advantage of this online learning lab that we have set up for you.
And we look forward to getting to know you, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this.
Yes.